Hey there and welcome back to Daily Flash Latino. I'm Jessica Reyes, and spring is the time to start thinking about some innovative new products and some fresh design solutions. Dr. Frank joins us now to talk about what's new for spring. Hi there, Dr. Frank. I cannot wait to hear about everything you have.
Hi, Jessica. Great to be with you.
Well, let's start off with a luxury kitchen. What do you have?
Yes, this is by Signature Kitchen Suite, and they're basically introduced a whole line of luxury appliances. But this is the world's first 48-inch built-in French door refrigerator. Isn't that incredible?
It's
I mean,
incredible.
look at this thing. Now, surveys have found that more space was, by most Americans, up to 50% of the people surveyed said they wanted extra large refrigerators. So it has an Energy Star label, which means it's been tested and certified for efficiency. And that's important because, next month, Earth Day is coming up, and people are going to start to look for appliances with energy savings. And when you look for the Energy Star, that tells the consumer this has been certified and tested by the federal government. Therefore, you can be assured that the energy efficiency is there. So it's a first of its kind refrigerator, Jess, that offers tremendous space, preservation technology for food freshness, and the smart, all smart organization as well. It's panel ready, which means it can be hidden behind panels like an armoire or stainless steel, and has a large interior with lift and go drawers and 5-mode convertible drawers with temperature from 41 degrees to -7 degrees. Amazing. It basically involves your whole ever-changing needs and changes your lifestyle completely and gives you the room you're looking for. And you can go to signaturekitchensuite.com.
I'm surprised it took this long for my dreams to come true, but you know what? I absolutely love that so much. I'm excited. I'm going to need that one too, so I put it down on my list. So what about doing those clothes? LG
Yes.
Wash Tower Compact. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, this is wonderful. The thing is space. People don't want to take a lot of space up in homes or condos or apartments. So this is a single unit laundry solution which tackles ultra large loads and half the floor space. It's easy to reach. The control panel, Jess, this is brilliant. This is what LG's done. They put it in the center. And the neat thing about that is you don't have to reach up high to get to the controls. They're right in the center for both units. And it has built-in intelligence, which detects load size, fabric softness, and soil levels. So the drying prep feature, which is cool, this preheats the dryer, listen to this, even before the washing cycle is finished. It's certified asthma and allergy friendly, and has an allergen cycle which removes 95% of common household allergens. And it has something called smart pairing. Allows a washer to tell the dryer the right compatible drying cycle. And it has LG's ThinQ Care, which gives useful tips, available at lg.com.
My goodness, Dr. Frank, again, another one on my list, and it's not a Christmas list. It'll be more like my birthday list. I am loving all of these products. I'm hashtag obsessed. So what's the best way to make our home smart?
Right. Well, Sharp has just introduced a complete array of smart home appliances. And the benefit of that is they're Wi-Fi enabled. They have a smart radiant range top and microwave drawer. In addition to the smart microwave drawer, there's a smart steam oven, smart convection oven, and other smart controls. And this is really what's cool. You'll see, look at the LED, Jess. I love this. When she turns it on, the LED ring lights up. When she turns it off, it goes away. You can tell within 20 feet, 30 feet, whatever, that unit element or burner is on. And they have an easy way open up. You just saw that, where she waves her hand in front of the microwave drawer and it opens. They have slide-in smart dishwashers, which allow you to start it with your voice. Smart appliances make cooking simpler, and voice commands and gestures. So with gestures and mobile device control, it's what Sharp calls simply better living. Their products are amazing, and you'll see these soon, available to purchase.
Oh my goodness, I am in the process of buying a new home, and now I think I have everything that I need. So Dr. Frank, I love these products. I love watching them on TV, but I'm not going to believe it until you send them my way. But thank you so much, Dr. Frank. For more details, you can head to what's new on drfrank.com.